Assalamu alaikum doston. Today's video is about a very important and sensitive topic. The tension between Iran and Israel has now reached a dangerous turning point. Is this just a conflict or could it be the beginning of World War III? This situation is not only affecting the Middle East but has also put the entire world on edge. Today we will discuss the real causes of this conflict, the damages, and what the future might look like. So make sure to watch the video till the end because today's information might truly surprise you. Friends, the conflict between Iran and Israel is not new, but it is now becoming increasingly intense. Due to this war, thousands of people have lost their lives and many cities are being destroyed. Missile attacks and military actions from both sides are escalating, creating a dire situation. The biggest impact of this conflict is being seen on the global economy, with disruptions in the oil supply causing inflation to rise rapidly, making life difficult for everyday people. Not only locally, but international tensions are also increasing. Experts warn that if this situation is not brought under control, it could turn into a major war that may engulf the entire world. People everywhere are yearning for peace, hoping that dialogue and collaboration can replace conflict while they remember those who have suffered due to this ongoing crisis. In response to the escalating crisis, world leaders are engaging in diplomatic discussions seeking to find a resolution that can lead to lasting peace. Amidst the chaos, there remains a resilient spirit of hope as communities come together to envision a future where peace prevails and conflicts are resolved through understanding and compassion. As the sun sets, it marks not only the end of another day, but signifies hope that dialogue and understanding can lead to a brighter tomorrow where conflicts are resolved and harmony is restored. The war between Iran and Israel has shaken the entire world. Missile attacks, devastation, and rising tensions. Could this be the beginning of World War III? This conflict threatens not only the Middle East, but could also crash the global economy. Oil prices are soaring and inflation is rapidly increasing. Experts are warning that if this situation isn't controlled, this war could engulf the entire world. Economists are anxiously analyzing the data, stressing the potential for a worldwide recession as energy costs rise. Meanwhile, in newsrooms around the globe, journalists are reporting live updates, their faces reflecting the urgency and gravity of the situation as they highlight the escalating crisis in the Middle East. Families are seen hurriedly packing their belongings, trying to escape the looming threat of war that casts a shadow over their lives. Above, military vehicles are mobilizing along the border, highlighting the serious readiness of armed forces as tensions mount, leaving everyone on edge about what might come next. A mother clutches her child tightly, fear evident in her eyes as she absorbs the distressing news about the escalating conflict. Nearby gas stations are overwhelmed with vehicles queued up for fuel, reflecting public anxiety as prices skyrocket and families brace for the economic impact. Please like, subscribe, follow, or share the B-Vlogs official channel. Thank you. In the heart of the city, a young content creator named Bilal sets up his camera, excited to share his latest adventures. His passion for vlogging radiates as he captures the essence of everyday life, hoping to inspire. As Bilal strolls through the lively market, he eagerly shares every delicious find and captivating interaction, bringing viewers along on his journey. Later at a quaint cafe, Bilal edits his vlog, meticulously piecing together his market adventure, ensuring that every moment shines and resonates with his audience.